Okay, it's only 89 degrees, but I had a lot of desk work to do and many papers to read and stuff, so I wasn't able to come out until now. It's almost, I don't know, it's 4 o'clock, 4:30 or so. Let's see. Yeah, 4:41. 16:41, 4:41 p.m. Today's work is mostly, it's going to take place indoors. I have to finish the acclimation quota for the frogs, so I'm going to do that. Let's go. So this is, just briefly, this is day 3 of the construction work. So U-shaped gutters, many of these, they've been laid out, they've been put in here. And they haven't finished this part yet, but it's, they put 3 over there and maybe 6 or 7 here in between, there and here. So, it's good. So it's going to work this way, and Okay, so this is what they did. They finished the end pole, 110 centimeters by 110 centimeters, and the depth is 180. They finished that, and the U-shaped gutters are coming all the way here. Here's a nice steel plate to step on, so we no longer have to jump, over the ditch, over the southern canal. And by the way, as a bonus, they tell me now, I wasn't here, so I didn't know it happened, but can you see the black pipe over there? It used to be gray, and in the process of finishing their work, they the construction workers, they cut the pipe here, damaged the pipe, and so they needed to bring in a plumber to fix it. Anyway, by the way, this power shovel, this belongs to that plumber. So they work closely with each other, I suppose. All right, so it looks, from the looking west, it looks like this, and looking east, it now looks like this. All right, that's it. See you soon as I move indoors. Bye.